Forward collision warning and pre-collision systems are advanced safety features designed to help prevent front-end collisions. FCW uses sensors like radar, LiDAR, and cameras to detect potential front-end collisions. It alerts drivers via visual dashboard lights, audible beeps, or haptic seat vibrations. PCS builds on FCW by autonomously applying brakes if the driver doesn't respond to warnings. A malfunctioning light indicates a problem with the system's sensors, calibration, or software. These systems work together to enhance vehicle safety and reduce collision risks. The FCW PCS light usually illuminates due to sensor obstructions like dirt or ice. Miscalibration can occur after bodywork or accidents. Software glitches may also trigger the light. Issues can arise from battery management systems, especially in electric and hybrid vehicles. For example, a software bug led to the Toyota Prius recall in 2024-2025. The simplest way to attempt resetting the FCW or PCS light is through the ignition cycle. This basic procedure can clear temporary faults without needing special tools. First, turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. This activates the vehicle's electrical systems and allows the computer to perform a self-check. Leave the ignition in the on position for 10 to 15 seconds. This gives the vehicle's computer time to reset any temporary error codes and clear the warning light. Finally, turn the ignition completely off. This completes the cycle and allows the system to reboot. The FCW or PCS light should now be reset if it was caused by a temporary fault. This ignition cycle method works for most temporary faults, but if the warning light remains on after attempting this reset, you'll need to use diagnostic tools or consult a professional for more advanced troubleshooting. For persistent FCW or PCS issues that don't clear with basic resets, use an OBD2 scanner or vehicle-specific apps like Torque Pro. These tools connect to your vehicle's diagnostic port to read error codes. An OBD2 scanner plugs into your vehicle's OBD2 port and retrieves codes such as C1A02 for Toyota PCS issues. This provides insight beyond just the warning light. Apps connect via Bluetooth adapters and let you diagnose issues remotely. Use them to clear codes after addressing the problem. If the code C1A02 appears, it points to a PCS sensor or system issue. Clearing the code temporarily fixes the light, but if it returns, seek professional help for a serious underlying problem. Advanced reset methods include over-the-air software updates that manufacturers like Tesla and Toyota use to fix FCW and PCS malfunctions remotely. Check for available updates through your car's infotainment system or mobile app. If available, install the update to potentially resolve the FCW or PCS malfunction. Over-the-air updates send software fixes directly to your vehicle, addressing issues like sensor calibration or software glitches without visiting a dealership. For Tesla vehicles, schedule updates through the mobile app or touchscreen interface. The app allows you to schedule the update for your convenience or install immediately. Tesla also offers factory resets through their mobile app to clear persistent malfunctions. This requires your Tesla account credentials and can resolve software-related FCW or PCS issues. Toyota vehicles receive updates through their infotainment system to fix bugs like unnecessary brake activations. The infotainment screen guides you through the update process, which can clear FCW and PCS warning lights. When basic resets and software updates fail to resolve FCW or PCS issues, professional help becomes necessary. Misaligned sensors, which can occur after body shop repairs or accidents, require precise recalibration by qualified technicians using specialized equipment. Additionally, if error codes persist even after clearing them with a scanner, a deeper diagnostic check is required to identify underlying hardware or software problems. Ignoring these persistent warnings can compromise vehicle safety and lead to more serious issues. FCW and PCS technologies continue to advance, integrating AI and 5G networks for more accurate collision detection. These improvements reduce false alerts by up to 40% and prepare for full autonomous driving integration by 2030. Key takeaways include maintaining your vehicle's sensors regularly, addressing any warning lights immediately, and remembering that these safety systems are designed to prevent accidents when functioning correctly.